Hi, this is Marty for the Dougherty Garden. Today's plant is the coral creeper. I got this last year from Ruth's Tropical Garden. Uh, they're little strands of plants when they first start out, but they can really grow on you. They grow on me. They tend to be, I guess, under the invasive species because they love to duplicate themselves. As you can see, there's the method of duplication. Once they flower, that thing turns brown, those little seeds just pop out, and inevitably you will get these little seedlings all over the place. All of these are results of the coral creeper that I had up in the front of the house, of which you'll see the large picture at the beginning of this video. That's a coral creeper. Let me see if I can sneak out over here just shortly. And you take a look at the large plant there in the pot. Has coral creeper on the bottom. I forget the name of the plant at the moment. It's on the top. The old time is kicking in, but that's coral creeper is a nice bottom type of plant, and the one on top we'll get there. All right, let's get back to what we're looking at. So these are coral creepers. They have a tendency to produce these little coral-covered flowers, which are very dainty. They last about a day, and most of the time I recall seeing them. They tend to be a morning type of a flower as opposed to full day bloom. Some will stay full day bloom depending on the outlook of the sun and how much is thrown out there. So I just wanted to show you the coral creeper, a lovely little potted plant, sort of invasive. Just keep after it. Put a little mulch around the base, and then when you see the seedling part, just pop it out. You can put them in a pot. They make pretty potty plants after a while because the greenery more or less duplicates in such a short, not a short period of time, it's over time, that it gets like a huge bush. And I'm not talking about 10 feet tall, I'm just talking about a foot and a half tall, and produces these lovely coral colored flowers. So, like I say, this is part of the Dougherty Garden. This is one that can be around for a while. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We love attention. Any questions, any thoughts, any interests, let me know. I'm Marty. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.